What's going on, traders? Welcome again to another live trading operation for this awesome channel, guys. So today we have a very beautiful setup running, and of course we do our best to explain everything shortly about this very trading setup when this trade runs out. Right? We strongly believe this trade is going to play out beautifully, and of course we will end in profit. But if it doesn't happen that way and we lost this trade, this is going to be also a valuable lesson for us to learn, because in the game it's a win-win whether it's a loss or a win. All right, so if you're interested in content like this, you are interested in transparency, you want to consider smashing that like button right now, just so the video can reach out to more people like you who may be interested in contents like this. All right, and also drop a comment down below if you are going to be learning something beautiful today. All right, so let's quickly walk you through what we saw that made me to place this trade. All right, so if you look at this minor scale, this right here is a very beautiful retracement phase. We have a series of lower lows and lower highs. Of course, we've drawn this very beautiful trend line outlining the resistance levels to show where the sellers has been strong. If you also zoom out, you will see that this right here is a beautiful uptrend. You can see that strongly price has been moving in the direction of the buyers for quite some time now. This all shows that the market is in the direction of the buyers mostly, and our trade should be running in the favor of the buyers. All right, now that being said, how do we enter our trade in this type of market condition? We need to wait for the entry trigger to be able to place our trade, and of course price broke above our zone, which is this trend line on this very beautiful green candle right here. This is the trigger, and of course we enter our trade at the end of this trade, at the end of this candle, with 5 minutes expiry, risking right here 2.4% of our bankroll. This is everything about this very setup. I'm simply waiting for this trade to play out in less than 1 minute, and of course I'll do my best to explain everything about the setup so you can use this information to start bettering your trading and become a killer in the binary options game. Now, for the next few seconds when this trade runs, let me quickly walk you through my mindset. As I've always made clear, I do not place trades and hope. No, we don't do that right here. We place our trade with clear precision, and we use pure strategies. So if you enter this trade, whatever happens, and of course in a few seconds we should be in this trade. So we have 3, 2, 1, and there you all have it, guys. We have just won this very beautiful trade. So whatever happens, even though this trade would have been a loss, this also would have been a beautiful lesson for us to take home, and that is the beauty of being a trader. The wins are a blessing, and the loss are also part of the game, and we count them also to be a blessing as well. So pay close attention to this very setup. See how beautiful price kept pumping up after we place our trade on this very beautiful candle right here. This is beautiful, guys. This is beautiful. It will interest you to know that this is not luck. This is strategy. This is pure strategy, and I can assure you 100% that you will start to enjoy this type of stuff. The market will start to respect your decisions and move in your direction if you have the skill set required, and that is the knowledge of price action. That's what we do right here. That's why we make all these videos every single day. So if you are still struggling with how to trade and become a profitable trader, join our mentorship program. We break it down step by step how you can build clean strategies that will help you to start killing like a sniper in the binary options game, and of course raking in thousands of dollars in profit. If you're also interested in being a part of our signal group, so you can take all our signals and start profiting, this is 100% free, guys. You don't have to pay anything. We give out all these signals for free. All you have to do is enter this trade and profit with us. So we keep the link below on the comment section. Join us right now. Let's trade and make these profits together, guys. All right, that being said, let's quickly walk you through what we saw that made us to place this very beautiful trade, because more important than this win is the why. So why have I placed this very beautiful trade? Okay, look at this level. I had this beautiful trend line on this very resistance level. The essence of this resistance is to show me the structure and how price has been respecting it, because it is a moment where the sellers are strong, but the overall trend is an uptrend, which means that these buyers are strong overall. But we want to look for areas where the seller steps in and we can be able to spot their weaknesses. Now, if you zoom out, you will also see that the fact that the overall trend is an uptrend is also a confirmation, and it's also a blessing that our trade will be profitable if we go in the direction of the buyers. So this is everything we put together. That being said, we want to wait for the entry. All right, now the entry will be our trigger to be able to enter the trade, and it's simply waiting for price to close inside of our zone. Now, where is my zone? If you look, you will see that this trend line above it is my zone, because we are trading when the sellers lose control. So the sellers were strong here, they were strong here, and of course we expect them to be strong here. But if they lose and fail to respect this level, we will go with the buyers, because that's obviously a sign that they have lost strength in the very zone. So that's what happened right here. The sellers could not take charge here, the buyers took charge, and they won the battle on this very level. And this is the beautiful green candle, no wicks, full body green candle that breaks inside of my zone. So I took my trade right at the end of that candle, and you can see how beautiful price has gone up. And guys, this is so beautiful to watch. Obviously, you will see that on this very level is the areas where most traders will panic and they would not enter a single trade, right? That should not be you. But if that's you and you still panic, you don't have a strategy, you don't have any way to trade the binary options market, don't lose hope. It's only going to take a period of time. All you have to do is focus on learning and gaining the skill set required to be able to start profiting and making very confident decisions in the binary options market. It may take a while, but keep showing up every single day, keep doing what's required, keep practicing price action, and eventually you will start to become profitable in the binary options game. So today's lesson is pretty simple. Make sure you understand the trend, try to understand the retracement phase, do your best to draw a beautiful and very precise trend line, and of course try to understand when price breaks inside your zone, because that right there is the trigger you require to enter your trade. And of course, immediately you had that trigger, make sure you don't hesitate, enter your trade just like a sniper would do. And of course, keep doing this over time and you get better at it, and of course eventually you will start to become a very beautiful trader and become extremely profitable. Make sure to subscribe if you are very serious in mastering binary options and start making constant profit, and also make sure to watch all our videos that we've put together so you can start profiting starting today. Check the next video right there to be able to understand what we put together that helped us to win that very beautiful trade. And if you check below, you'll also find a playlist that we have organized to be able to help you build a very beautiful strategy that will help you to start making constant profit in the binary options market. Of course, I'm going to be seeing you guys on the next one. Until then, keep trading, keep working hard, and have a good day.